Hey, good morning, folks. How y'all doing? What we have here is a 1998. My Honda Civic is requiring a new heater core. My heater went out. And that is a job. That's a job. See these panels? Had to come out, the dash, radio, the whole dash. When I say pretty much disassemble the car inside, anything concerning the dash, it comes down. Steering wheel had to get dropped, steering column. The console. It is a job. The part is inexpensive, but it's the labor behind it. All the side panels had to come off. And it's just screws and bolts that hold this stuff together. That's all. Screws and bolts. You disassemble, disconnect the wiring. You have to get with someone that know what they're doing. I have a certified mechanic. Right there's the AC fan, blower, heater. If you plan on keeping your car, if this is your only transportation, then I'd say invest a little money in it. If you plan on keeping your car. I don't know your situation, but this Honda has been good to me, and I take care of it. Things go out, and that's fine. I'd have to replace it. The other side panel you have to remove. The glove compartment you have to remove. The stereo, the cup holder console, you have to remove. All of that is coming out. See the steering wheel? It's on my seat. Steering column, all that had to be dropped. Just to give you a better picture, a better idea. And we still have a little bit more to go before we remove the old part and reinstall a new one. It's a heater core.
You brought, what's the name of it?
Heater core? Okay, we're taking the heater hoses.
Loose. Yeah.
Loose.
Alright, there we go.
That's the wiring harness.
Yeah.
Okay, I had needed to take my car out of gear. If you look right here, it's a keyhole. You're going to insert your key in there, and you're going to pull your gear shift back, and it'll get that car out of gear without your car being connected. That'll help us out right there. Give us a little bit more room.